Hey everybody, and welcome to Camp Thetford. We are so excited to have you here. Here at Camp Thetford, this is your place to learn about all things RVs, camping, and Thetford products combined. It's going to be so much fun. We can't wait to spend some time with you guys. So what do you say? Let's get episode 1 started. We are talking about boondocking. This is when you camp in your RV without any electricity or hookups. For an example, in a national park, a parking lot, or anywhere else you can park your RV. That's not breaking any laws, of course. Why are we talking about boondocking? Because I'm going to give you 3 Thetford products that you absolutely need before you leave for your boondocking RV trip. If you've never gone boondocking with your RV, it can be a little bit intimidating at first, but don't worry. With the correct planning and preparation, boondocking is a breeze. So the first product that you're gonna need on your RV boondocking trip is some RV holding tank treatment. This treatment is gonna help break down waste, prevent odor, and help you when you're emptying your black water tank in your RV. It's also gonna help your RV from smelling like a porta potty during your camping trip. The next product that you're gonna need on your RV boondocking trip is Aquasoft. The last thing you need is your black water tank getting clogged after a great camping trip. Aquasoft is gonna break down easily, and it's gonna help you later on when you're emptying out that black water tank after your RV boondocking trip. The last Thetford product that you absolutely need on your RV boondocking trip is the Smart Tote 2. A portable waste tank is going to help extend the life of your black water and your gray water tank. Boom, that's it. 3 Thetford products that you absolutely need on your RV boondocking trip. AquaMax, Aquasoft, and the Smart Tote 2. 3 necessities when you're boondocking from Thetford. We hope you really enjoyed your time at Camp Thetford. Can't wait to see you next time. To hang out with us, hit that subscribe button, and to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the fun that we are having here, don't forget to hit that bell. Check us out on all of our social medias. We have Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And for more information on any of our Thetford products, don't forget to go to thetford.com. I'll see you guys later. See you guys next time at Camp Thetford. Hey everybody. Lastly, boom, 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 that is it. Boom, that's it. Boom.